Today, we are talking about those hairy, feathery, scaly, sometimes slimy creatures that we share the planet with. Animals. Animals, as I'm sure you know, can come in all shapes and sizes. Some big, some very, very small. But all animals, no matter what they look like, need food and water. Now, an animal's food can come from lots of different places. Some animals are herbivores. That means that they eat plants to survive. Rabbits and tortoises are both herbivores. Now, on the flip side of that, carnivores eat meat to survive. For example, like a fox or a bear. Most herbivores are eaten by carnivores. Now, I know it can be sad, but that is the circle of life. Some animals eating plants to survive, and then those animals being eaten by predators, and then those predators dying, and then giving the ground nutrients to help the plants grow again, is an example of a food chain. Now let's go to the Kookaburra class to see them acting out a food chain this week. Who's a predator, Colin?
Somebody eating, and then another thing eat that thing, and then another thing eat that thing, and then die.
That's a food chain. That's a food chain. If an animal eats another animal, then it's a predator. And this animal is the prey.
I'm so hungry. I will eat a rabbit.
Into the rabbit hole! Into the hole! You're gonna get eaten by a fox! Oh my gosh!
I'm a rabbit. I'm so hungry.
Go.
So hungry. I want to eat the grass. I want fox. I want fox. I'm so hungry. I want eat the rabbit.
Oh my gosh! You're eating! Are you gonna eat any more grass?
I want bread. I'm so hungry. I will eat the fox.
Sneaky.
Yeah! Knock. Oh my god.
Animals can give us all sorts of things. Us humans are omnivores. That means we eat both plants and meat to survive. Last week we learned about plants. Now, an animal like a sheep can give us fur to keep us warm. Animals like a cow or a pig can give us meat to eat. Horses can give us transportation. Animals in a zoo can give us education and sometimes entertainment. I mean, just look at the red panda. So cute! And an animal like a chicken can give us eggs to eat and use in baking. This week, we are going to use eggs to make an adorable bunny rabbit. Let's go now to the Magpies to see how it's done.
Just lightly. It's a membrane, it's skin.
It's not the skin. But the skin is not yummy. Yes, the skin cannot. Yeah, the skin can eat. Yes, but it's not yummy. Yes. I don't like it.
Alright, now when you guys
eat. I need whiskers.
whiskers, okay? And then we have whiskers. Here.
How are you doing? She's making the puzzle.
Okay, become an egg.
Recover the egg.
And then you cut it again this way.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, I just put it this way.
So be careful and try to get the mist. Is that four? What I'm gonna do?
A sun. Teacher,
I'm gonna put on your head.
Oh, it's a song?
Mix.
I put a lot of salt on mine.
I don't have eyes.
Done. And then you eat it.
Besides food, animals can give us companionship. Now, an animal that lives in our houses and gives us company and makes us smile is called a pet. Now, dogs, cats, hamsters, turtles, fish, sometimes birds make the best pets. Now, even though they give us things, we still need to give them things and take care of them, right? We need to give them food, water, and love. And of course, we sometimes need to take care of them by taking them for walks or cleaning up after they make a mess. This week, the Canary class learned all about what it means to take care of a pet. Let's check it out.
Oh no, just my cup is so sweet. I need food.
Okay.
Okay. Some food.
So here's some food. Okay.
And me.
All right.
I need water.
Go get some water. Then here's some water.
Drink water. Here's some water.
Go drink water. 5. Everybody down. Ridiculous.
Go fetch.
What a fun week we've had learning all about animals. If you want to know more, maybe you can try visiting a zoo or an animal shelter. Animals, just like people, always need love and affection. So, there are many, many different kinds of animals, like herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, that all eat different kinds of things. Animals and people live together in the circle of life. Animals can provide us many things, and we provide them many things, and animals can sometimes live in our houses and be lovely and friendly sometimes, and they're called pets. Well, that's about all the time we have for this week's episode of AATV. From all of us here at AATV, hope you have a great week. See you next time!